Hey guys, this is Lisa Tedder with Tedder Bear Stamping, and I wanted to show you this new stamp from the stamp set Stylish Christmas. This is one of our new stamp sets that do the really good, there's a word for it, but I can't think of it right now, that stamp really well. And if you look at the stamp, it doesn't have much, like it's pretty flat, but it really stamps pretty. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make this. So first off, I'm going to come in with Vellum, and this is 3.5, if I can get it, 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I am going to get a piece of scratch paper real quick to put under, because I'm going to make a mess a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to come in with Real Red and my stamp, and I'm trying to come up with cards that don't take forever but still look very pretty. Oh wow, this, I just inked it, so it's really inky. Not sure what I'm going to think about this, but we'll see what it looks like. Alright, then I'm going to come in with clear embossing powder. Be nice if I had this out ahead of time. Alright, wow, that really doesn't look very pretty, but we'll see what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so let's heat this up and see how it looks after it's embossed. Oh. All right. So, to me that doesn't look very pretty, but let's keep going and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I saw online the other day a way of gluing vellum that will make it to where you don't see it. So you get out the green glue and you just make a little puddle, bring in a sponge, and then I'm going to use it on here because I don't want it to get on my thing. And then you just rub it across, making sure you get the edges really well. Let me add a little bit more. I want to make sure it sticks. Okay. Then I'm going to come in with a piece of Real Red that is the same dimensions as this, so 3.5 by 4 3/4. And right here, I'm going to place this on. What might help if I place the glue down. And since it's a very thin layer, it will dry really fast. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put that onto a piece of white that is 3 3/4 by 5, because I really want this to pop. Okay, so then I'm going to come in with some ribbon, making sure that the puffy is on the outside, which is really hard to tell. Okay, I think that's it. And I'm going to adhere that. So what I do to save ribbon is I just cut it to go across, bring in my glue for the back, my adhesive, and then I come back Making sure, okay. And I lay it down so it adheres to the back onto the piece I already put there. That saves me from going all the way around. Then I'm going to make a bow by just doing bunny ears and a tie, and just like a knot like you would your shoes. And what my trick is to get it to lay right is I let go of this part and then grab the bow from the other side. And for some reason that really helps. Okay. All right. Okay, what I did before was I tied this up with some white, white, the thin ones. Sorry, come on, help me. Baker's twine. Okay, I only knew that because I went to look. So I know sometimes I just lose my mind and can't remember things. I'm sure that never happens to any of you. All right, and I'm just going to tie it so that it looks like this bow is going all the way around, and then I'll trim it really close. And then bring in glue dots to do my bow. And where did my bow go? Oh, it's right here. Ah, doggy. Oh, he's so sad. Okay, then I have that. And then what I wanted to do was come in with some pearls and put some inside the flowers so it looks like it's, you know, a Christmas flower. Which of course my mind blinked out again. Christmas flower. Alright. And then I'm going to do one up here too, because you should always do things in threes. Isn't that pretty? With the pearls, I love it. Okay, then I'm going to place this onto a piece of 5.5 by 8.5, real red. Where did my bone folder go? And another trick is after I do this, I always turn it and come away from it, because if you go over it this way, it'll pull it up. But that will hold your ribbon in place. So that looks so pretty. All right, and then I'm going to bring in another scrap that I have with the sentiment. Let's see, what did I do with it? Oh, peace. That's in this one. Hold on. Where did I put this down? Oh, goodness. Peace. And I'm going to use Versamark and the embossing buddy, which is very important when you do white. When you do the white embossing powder, it likes to stick anywhere, so I'm just going to liberally do that. Let's see. Not bad. And heat set this. Then I'm going to come in with my scissors and just trim it. And when this cools off, I'm going to just wipe it on my pants to get the rest of the embossing putty off. Alright, then I have this piece of white, and I'm just right now going, this was just a scrap. So just figure out how big your one word needs to be, and then kind of go from there. Because you might not want to use piece. And then what I'm going to do is take my bone folder and make this so that it's a little bit more worn. Alright, and then I'm going to just go ahead and put this on. And then pop it up onto my card. And if you made any mistakes, you just cover it up with your sentiment. Alright. So what do you think? Do you like it? I really kind of like it. So this is going to be one of the cards I'm doing for my Christmas card class. And they will make 3 of these and 3 of 5 others. So check back next week and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.